Alright, we just got done making a loop from Louisiana to Illinois to Arkansas and back home. 1,968 miles. Left on a Thursday night, got home on a Tuesday evening. Average 24.1 miles per gallon. We had 4 people in the car. We had the back loaded down with stuff. Went up to pick up some stuff and bring back home. So not bad. It was a great travel car. Now it's filthy. Gonna wash it up. So that mileage was a good mix of interstate, highway, back roads, in-town driving, everything. I don't know how much the video will capture, but it's filthy. We had so many bugs on it. The first 900 miles, I went through a spray car wash where you just manually spray, and we just sprayed off the hood and the grill and the windshield. But since then, put on, quite a bit more miles, and it's just, again with the sun, I don't know how much it's gonna pick up, but it's coated with nastiness. The good thing was we didn't get a drop of rain. It's covered in dust and dirt and everything, but it did really well. It's the first time we've ever taken a long road trip in this vehicle, and again we did that instead of our Pilot because we needed the truck bed space to haul some stuff back. And it did really well. So we had two kids in the back, and they were very comfortable. My wife and I in the front, and it's a lot of driving, a lot of miles, but they're such comfortable riding vehicles. And so now we're gonna get some of this road grime off, and some of these nasty bugs and everything. So we're gonna get that going. Alright, so even on a high pressure rinse using a pressure washer when the vehicle is really filthy, it doesn't really seem to do anything, but you're getting all the surface dust off and you're loosening things up, but the bugs don't really move. You're going to need some kind of bug remover. So what I do is I rinse it, then I spray a bug remover on. I bought this stuff because it's cheap, and you can buy a gallon refill, which I'll put links in the description. So I bought the gallon refill off of Amazon. So I'll literally spray the mirrors with this stuff. I just coat all the side mirrors because they stick out, and then like from this point on, I will do the entire, from this edge of the hood all the way over to the side that's getting bashed by the bugs. I'll get the headlights, the plastic, everything, because there's bugs stuck to all this stuff. So what I'll do is I'll spray it, and then I'll switch to the soap part of the pressure washer. So this will kind of have a couple minutes to do its work. And then I'll put the soap on top of it. And so by the time, you know, it's got some time to loosen. And so then I'll put the soap on, let that sit. So this gets to sit, the soap gets to sit, and then I'll be scrubbing it with a brush. And then after that, that'll get 99 point something% of it off. And then I'll just kind of look it over, see if I missed anything. It takes quite a bit. That's why I buy the cheaper stuff, because even if you had a more expensive one, you would still have to coat it. And so it's going to take a lot. The other thing of these all-weather mats are so nice, because on a trip like this, where you got 4 people in the car, almost 2,000 miles, these are going to look dirty. But all I had to do was spray them with high pressure water and they're clean. So I never use any cleaning products on things like this. If anything, just car wash, soap and water. You don't want to use like stuff you do your dashboard and stuff on, because you don't want it to be slippery. When anything that my feet, like the side sills or things that you would get in and out of your car, if you have running boards, never put anything slick on those so your feet don't slip. So I'll just spray these off and then just let them dry in the sun, and then just put them back in. So these are really a good deal, if really for any vehicle, instead of dealing with carpet. So anyway, we're gonna put the soap on there and keep going. Also, I bought from I think it was Home Depot. I got these things I've not used yet, but I got these for like reaching the roof and stuff when I do like ceramic coat and stuff like that. So I thought I might try it today. It's got adjustable legs and everything on it. So anyway, I'm gonna put the soap on. All right, with my wife's help, got it all cleaned up. So good to have that 2,000 miles of road grime off of there and get it back. Really love this truck and this color. The inside all cleaned up.